What's going on, guys? Day 2 of being in Lake Tahoe, and this is way more snowy than it was yesterday. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to run. I just don't know how well I'm going to run. You have a lot more snowfall this time. Yesterday was 28 degrees. Today's high is 27 degrees, and it's only 23 right now. Nevertheless, we're gonna get started, so here we go. All right, time to get started. Okay, so we're doing pretty good so far. I think the hardest part about it so far is that you can't see anything. It's like just little daggers going straight into your eyes. So I fell. Got real slippery out here. Okay, let's try to head back now. This time without falling. Almost back. About 2 miles or so. I can't see anything. All right, 2 miles done. Not bad at all. Again, the hardest part is being able to see. I think the flurry is starting to kick up even more, so I'll catch you guys later.